the exponents and powers both are like when you see that directly it may sound like same thing, but it is different. Both are different. Okay, like the perspective, the point of view would be different. There are two forms to represent a number. One is the product form, another one is the exponential form. Previously we have seen the squares, cubes, everything. Can you remember? In that I told you, in the squares we will write 2 into 2. That also can be referred as 2 square. Did I say or not? So when you are representing a number as a product, then it is called as product form. What form? So that product, everything is compiled into the power, is called as exponent form. Okay, take another example. 3 into 3 into 3, sorry, 3 into 3 let me take. Okay, this is what form again? Product form. Then 3 square, like we will write. This is what form? Exponent form. Okay, now here this 2 over here is called as 2 is exponent of 3. 2 is the exponent of 3. And the other way, if you are wish to say in the perspective of 3 raised to the power 2. That is the difference between exponent and power. Okay, 2 is the exponent of 3 raised to the power 2. So that is the difference. But both looks like same. 3 square is 3 square always. How do we call it? In the perspective of 2, in the perspective of 3. That is the difference. Okay, now in general, if I say x to the power y, generally we will use by constants only, right? Now here, who is the exponent? Exponent of x is y. Then x raised to the power y. Either way we will see. So this follows a certain rules. Whenever the number like this is multiplied, so here the certain rules or conditions. When the powers are same, sorry, the base are same, when the base are same, when I say base, that refers to this one, this guy is base. When these base are same, we can add the powers, that is a power m plus a. Okay, meaning, not meaning, example 1, 2 cube into 2 power 5. Then what would be our answer? It is 2 power 3 plus 5, that is 2 power 8. Why is it so? Why is it so, man? Do you know multiplication is a repeated addition? Have you heard about that? Okay, never mind. This is enough. You just see this as a rule. Okay, this proofs and all it's not necessary at this moment. So this is the rule. The other one, suppose the same thing is in division, then what we will write? It is a power m minus n. The same example, let me take 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 3. Then the answer is 2 power 5 minus 3, that is 2 power 2. Okay. And next one, power of power, a power m whole power a. So power of power happens, we can multiply the powers. So it is a power m into n. Example, 2 power 3 whole power 2. Then the answer would be 2 power 6. 2 power 3 into 2 actually, that is 2 power 6. And the other one, two different numbers having the same power. Two different numbers having the same power, like first we are multiplying these two, then we'll take the power as the common thing for both, and we apply the power for the product of the base. Are you getting it? See, 2 square into 3 square, then that is equivalent to 2 into 3 whole square. If you don't believe, what is 2 square? 4. What is 3 square? 9. Now 2 3s are 6 square. What is 4 9s are? 36. 6 square is again 36. That is the idea. Okay. This happens for the product. Now what do you think for division? A power m divided by b power m. Two different numbers, but the powers are same. Then the fraction to the whole power m. Okay. So it is 2 square. Let me take 2 cube by 3 cube. Then we will write 2 by 3 whole cube, vice versa. Whenever it is required, that way we can write. Okay. Any doubts in this? Let me explain this once again. See the exponents and powers, how it is working. When the base are same, powers are different, we can add the powers. And when you are dividing those two, we'll subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. Okay. It has some certain conditions as well. Basically, this is the identity. Okay. And here, the power raised to the power, 2 powers, then the powers can be multiplied. And two different numbers having same power, then we'll take the same power for their product. When two different numbers having same power, then that division has to be done first, then we can take the whole power. That is how it works. Still certain rules are there. Have you copied writing this along with the examples, everything? Okay. So you are writing along with me, right? Okay. Just hold on a second.